Alright, class, welcome. I hope that everybody's doing fine. So, everybody sit down and get their viruses out, because today we're going to look into synthesis with the virus TI. Still one of my favorite synthesizers, believe it or not. And the aim is pretty simple. We have a dark Psy baseline, I would say. This is what I would call it, at least. And it's 192. So quite fast, but don't focus on that, because we are focusing on FX. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to do some classic sounds. We're going to start with very simple sounds, downlifters, risers, kind of one-shots maybe. Like just simple sounds that you would maybe normally get from a sample library. Why not do them ourselves? Let's just start rowdy and nasty with a wavetable downlifter. First, just going to wavetable. A sign is not very helpful, but what you usually want to do is pitch it down. I pitched it down 2 octaves right now. You see. Yeah, actually, you want to have that pitched down quite a bit. And then I am going to... Let me do that here on the plugin because it's easier for you to see. I would do that on the hardware, but yeah. Let's do something nasty with just that. So first we want to have LFO1 like that. And next we want to have some noise. And also put that noise on the LFO. Noise color, that would be. And let's also see, like, let's hear 4 voices. Next up, I want to juice it up a little bit on the amp. And also put that LFO right here and put noise volume and go here to noise and put that noise volume down. Dude, I'm starting to like this. To be honest with you, it's not a classic downlifter, but this is the beauty of sound design. It's like you're starting somewhere, right? Like it's like you're starting with a simple idea and you're just moving on from there, alright? Like let's juice it up even more. Let's do things that we... Dude, let's put that one also on... Basically, we want movement on drive. So let's go to noise. We want, I guess, intensity. And also, actually, that noise. Let's go to tape clocked. You know, you could put that on a soft knob, but quite frankly, don't do it. Because, like, you have that already on your virus, depending on what virus you have. But, yeah, you can, if it's really important for the sound, but not really. Like, okay. There's tons of stuff what we could put on that one. Like, for example, one would be definitely a random. Like, you put a random on that one. That's index. Where are you? Oscillator 1 index. And then you like... So now what it does is like... It should... Oscillator 1 index, yeah. Or opposite. It's not doing it. Why is it not doing it? That is the index. Curious. Oscillator 1. Bro. That is that. Okay, let's try something. Transpose. The random modulator certainly does work. Let's turn that one off because that is like literally maybe a bit too random. What we'll do now is like we'll take controller 16. Why controller 16, you ask? Well, just like that. I'm feeling 16 today. And then we go to oscillator 1 shape index. We activate that. We turn that one back there. Logically. We go here, controller 16. And then we call it bush, because why not? So now your middle soft knob should be bush. There you go. So you have like your bush on the middle knob. And then what else do we want to actually do? We definitely have... Not in love with this one. possible. Let's check out the phaser. A little bit of feedback. Yeah, why not? Controller 12. Phaser goes in. Where you, phaser boy? Phaser mix. Phaser mix goes up. Then you go to common. You go 12. You go definitely... Well, you could name that anything from actually phaser to anything. But let's call it phaser just for like... And to complete it, we're going to do one thing, okay? Trying one thing. That one we will keep intact. That one we will keep intact. That one is already used. We're going for 13. We're going for distortion mix, and we're going for distortion intensity. A little bit distortion intensity and a little bit of that as well. Distortion mix. Then we go controller 13, was it? Thank you. It was 13 indeed. That one will be destroy. Let's see what happens. There you go. I mean, that's something what I did, for sure. Let's see. Keeping it clean. To be honest with you, one thing that really bothers me is the noise. Let's get rid of that and go for envelope 4. Noise volume. Let's go over here, envelope 4. I don't know. How is that like upside down? Why is that upside down? Okay, and now like that is... This envelope is clearly like misbehaving. It's exactly doing the opposite. It's like, wait a sec. Is there some polarity switch? No, there isn't. Well. The envelope doesn't want to do what we want it to do, but that could have several reasons. Probably it's my fault. But this is our first sound. And it's, I know, a little bit of a different sound than I first said. Nasty drill. Our first sound. Let's do another one in the next video.